Are you wondering how to add a Contact Us page on Shopify? Well, if that's the case, then you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to be showing you exactly what you need to do. So firstly, you just want to navigate to your admin dashboard, and you'll see I've done that here. On this screen, you basically need to go to the online store section, so left click here, and then in this section you want to select the Pages button. When you do so, you can see at the moment this is a brand new store and I haven't got any pages, but what you essentially need to do is create a brand new page. So click the Add Page button, and then at the top you can see as an example they've even got Contact Us written there, but basically you just need to build this out. So firstly, give the page a title, and then you want to give some information that would help anyone visiting your Contact Us page, what they need to do. So, hello, if you would like to get in contact, then please fill out the form and we will be sure to get back to you. That's an example of just the description there. And what you want to do is you want to ensure that this is checked as visible so that it can be seen by any visitors to your site. And you want to change the theme template from the default page to contact. And I'll explain why you want to do that in a moment. Now, one other thing you want to do while you're on this page is edit the website SEO. By default, the page title will be pulled into the SEO title. So if this was searched into Google, then this would kind of appear. The description is what I've obviously added here. You could change it if you wanted to. And the URL and handle is essentially, what the domain will be if you were to kind of type it into a search engine. So you can have that as contact us, you could have that as contact. Doesn't really matter in this example, but you get the idea of what I'm trying to achieve here. Hit save, and the page will be created. So there's one other thing you need to do, and this is to make the Contact Us page available to your visitors. And to do that, you need to add it to your menu. So to do that, you can add it to either your footer menu or your kind of header menu, or both. It's completely up to you. In this example, I'm going to show you how to add it to the footer menu. The process is exactly the same. Click on the menu you'd like to change, and what you want to do here is you want to click on Add Menu Item, and the name is basically the text that is going to appear on as a clickable element. So we're going to obviously call this Contact Us. And in this section here, you want to left click, you want to scroll down to Pages, and then you want to select what you've just created, the Contact Us page. So select that, click Add at the bottom, and you'll see that it has been added. Now, on the left-hand side, those little black dots, you can use that if you wanted to kind of move it around, if you wanted to have it kind of higher up your menu or lower down. I'm actually going to have it second at the moment, just for demonstratory purposes. Hit Save Menu. You'll get a menu updated item, and that basically means that the Contact Us page is going to be available on your store. So if I view my store now, remember, if I could have added it to the header or the main menu, but I didn't. I added it to the bottom or a footer menu, and you can see it here now, and that's the text I kind of specified. If I were to go back into the original website where I hadn't created it at that point, you'll see it's not even there. So that's that's an example of how it's kind of been built. Now, if we click this, because we selected that template, we are going to get this contact form populated for us. And here we get that description that we specified. So obviously if you wanted to change this, you can go back into the page and do that. But you want to give some information just to give some visitors an understanding of what to add. So you'd go in here and you would enter a visitor would enter their name and email if they wanted to. That's mandatory. They'd enter the phone number. That's obviously optional. Then enter their comment. And if they hit send, then what would happen is you would get an email coming through to whatever email address is associated with your account. So I hope this video is useful. If it was, please do hit the like button. That tells me I should continue making videos like this, and do consider subscribing. I'm going to have a lot of videos on Shopify, building an online business, and other important software and platforms that you may want to use. So do consider subscribing. And with that said, I hope you have an excellent day.